Your check engine light is on, you scan the car, and the code P0128 shows up. Before you replace the thermostat or start changing parts, stop and watch this video. P0128 means coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. In simple terms, the engine is not warming up to the expected operating temperature fast enough. The engine computer notices this and turns on the check engine light. Many people assume a P0128 code automatically means a bad thermostat. While a stuck-open thermostat is a common cause, it is not the only possible reason. Replacing parts without proper diagnosis can waste time and money. To understand P0128, you need to understand how engine temperature control works. When the engine is cold, the thermostat stays closed. This allows the engine to warm up quickly. Once the engine reaches the correct operating temperature, the thermostat opens and allows coolant to circulate through the radiator. The engine computer monitors coolant temperature using the engine coolant temperature sensor. It expects the engine to reach a specific temperature within a certain amount of time after startup. If the temperature stays too low for too long, the computer sets the P0128 code. A stuck-open thermostat is one of the most common causes of P0128. If the thermostat is stuck open, coolant flows through the radiator all the time. This prevents the engine from warming up properly, especially in cold weather. However, the thermostat is not the only thing that can cause this problem. Low coolant level is another common cause. If the coolant level is low, the temperature sensor may not read correctly. This can make the engine computer think the engine is running cooler than it actually is. A faulty engine coolant temperature sensor can also trigger a P0128 code. If the sensor sends incorrect data, the computer may believe the engine is not warming up properly. In some cases, the engine is at the correct temperature but the computer does not know it. Wiring and connector issues should not be ignored. Damaged wires, corrosion, loose connectors, or poor electrical connections can affect the coolant temperature signal. Even a small electrical issue can cause incorrect temperature readings. Cooling system issues can also contribute to a P0128 code. A cooling fan that runs too often or stays on all the time can prevent the engine from reaching operating temperature. This is especially common in colder climates. Another overlooked cause is using the wrong coolant or incorrect coolant mixture. Coolant that is too diluted with water can affect heat transfer. This can slow down the engine warm-up process. Before replacing any parts, proper diagnosis is critical. Start by checking the coolant level. Make sure the engine is cold before opening the cooling system. Low coolant should always be corrected first. Next, monitor live coolant temperature data using a scan tool. Watch how quickly the engine warms up after a cold start. Compare the temperature readings to the manufacturer's specifications. If the engine takes a long time to warm up or never reaches normal operating temperature, a stuck-open thermostat is likely. However, if the temperature reading seems unrealistic or jumps around, a sensor or wiring issue may be the real problem. Inspect the engine coolant temperature sensor and its connector. Look for corrosion, damaged wiring, or loose connections. Make sure the sensor is properly installed. Check for other trouble codes. Codes related to coolant temperature, cooling fans, or sensors can provide additional clues. P0128 often appears along with other cooling system codes. Pay attention to symptoms. A vehicle with a P0128 code may have poor heater performance. The cabin heater may blow lukewarm air because the engine is not reaching full temperature. Fuel economy may also decrease because the engine runs in a colder, less efficient state. In colder climates, P0128 codes are more common during winter months. Cold ambient temperatures make it harder for the engine to warm up. A weak thermostat or cooling system issue becomes more noticeable. Replacing the thermostat may solve the problem, but only if it is confirmed to be faulty. Always use the correct thermostat specified by the manufacturer. Installing the wrong temperature rating can cause repeat problems. After repairs, clear the code and monitor engine temperature. Make sure the engine reaches and maintains proper operating temperature. A successful repair should result in faster warm-up and stable temperature readings. In many cases, fixing a simple issue like a low coolant level, replacing a faulty thermostat, or repairing a sensor connection will clear the P0128 code. Diagnosing the system first can save you money and prevent unnecessary part replacements. Always diagnose first, understand the data, and fix the root cause. Before replacing parts, check our channel for more diagnostic tips and real-world fixes. Fix Car Codes helps you understand the problem before you spend your money.